Guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Ama Fans Way to TV. Welcome to Ama Fans onto TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mackenzie 0, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by
Greenwell Pagania from towards Greater towards branch. Yeah.
Queen. We won this one game.
No, Pirates Poto go re tele magazine ka mkhomo. Le di fele tse dingwe. Wa fatakane ka go fela. Re tele magazine. Ene ke gale re tele la magazine.
Yes.
Ka gale re go tse magazine.
Yes.
Ke ba ke 9 goal.
No matter 9 goals.
Ke ba ke 9 goal.
Right.
A ona me tsa ke bula go mesana. Mola ina go ina bula. You go 9 goal.
Yeah.
O tseba lo na si. Yeah. Ka bo tsemo ke nyaka ka kwa ele khulela. Ka kwa stadium sa ha ba khasi.
No, Peter Mukala.
Ka ma khasi sela. Ba ke nyaka sona sela. Ba la go mo ka ditle ka mo. Re ba shapile ka mo. Wa bona. Ba bontsha hore Pirates is the big team. Yeah, it's the big team. Re nyaka number 1 here.
But number 1.
Re nyaka number 1 here.
Let's go in league this season.
Right ya league rena. Pumaki ba tswa re lebelela. Re na re ga re tsamaya. Re tsa league.
My Chiefs.
Kumali wa FC.
Yeah.
Kumali wa FC Malewa. FC.
Malewa
FC. Malewa.
Kimang Malewa. Malewa Kimang.
Kumaki ba.
Chiefs. Elliot Wasarara si red card ele.
Yona hane referee rileng.
Ba mfile transfer.
Referee rileng.
Uteki red. Ara si red card.
Ona le mona. Motlogela. Ona le mona.
Man of the match.
Mofokeng. Ngwana wa tshwenya.
Man of the
Wafile game. Bathoba na selo ba. Awuna selo.
Estivo member.